name is Sally Cupcake, and today I'm going to be making slime. So I'll show you my slime that I already have. It's like I just made it right there. Pink slime. Right, now I'm going to be making, I don't know what color it is going to turn out, but all I know what you will need is this. It will either be hair or body wash. And then you need this toothpaste, and it is like jelly. It's like a gel color. Alright, so the first thing you will need, where's my container again? Oh, let's choose this member. Might use this, I don't know. First thing you will need to do is get your body wash. Wait guys, I'm gonna search again. I also forgot something to mix. First thing you will need to do is get this and like squirt. Like if anybody has like this tiny container, guys, but it has to be clear one, or your slime will not work out. Pour this in. Right, and then just, well, you can actually pour how much you want in. So just say you want to like a whole entire cup. That would be probably the one entire thing. That's how much slime you would want. Time to put in the toothpaste. The one that I said you need to get wet. It's like this one. Oh God. And put that in. Good. And then just mix. Yours might work, guys, if you felt like and do the same ingredient. And then, guys, I'm going to add a bit more of this in. Wait, guys, and yeah, that's the tiniest bit. Guys, if you want to add paint to yours, you can, but I think you should do the same as me because paint might be too watery. I did my last one with paint and did not turn out. It was too like watery. But now I'm doing it the proper way. Guys, if your thing is not looking up, then it's time for you to put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. So let's get out for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh, guys, don't forget to comment down below if this is good slime or bad slime. Don't forget to subscribe. So my name on Musical.ly is Roxy Hope 123. guys, my name on Musical.ly is Roxy Hope 1, 2, 3. ROXY HOP 1, 2, 3. Just gonna put this in now, guys. I've hit it in for 5 minutes. Guys, I'm gonna end this now, but